Hi, everyone. Curt Soloff here, LearnBridge Online. And I was sitting around the spacious library here at LearnBridge Online World Headquarters, and I was trying to decide what to do for my next 4-week course. And then I picked up a hand that gave me an idea. Well, my partner opened a spade, and there was an overcall of two diamonds. And I'm sitting south, and I've got this nice collection here. And, well, what do you do with a hand like this? If you bid only two spades or three spades, that's non-forcing. Partner might pass. I think we want to be in game, right? If you jump to four spades, that'll get you to game, but that's really a preemptive bid and it doesn't give you a chance to find a slam. And, partner could have a nice, shapely opening over there. So, what do we do with a hand like this? Well, if we want to make a completely forcing bid, then what we want to do is cuebid. We want to bid the opponent's suit because this will force partner to bid and it will give us another chance to bid as well, and we can investigate further. So I'm going to do a 4-week course on cuebids, and we're going to be talking about these types of cuebids by responder and a whole bunch of other cuebids as well. So I hope you'll join me for that this spring, and I look forward to seeing you there.